Hey there, and welcome to Paleologic. Today, we are going to travel back in time to an epoch known as the Eocene, which lasted from about 54 to 38 million years ago. We will explore the intriguing world of the Eocene Epoch and uncover the amazing creatures that roamed the Earth during this period. But before we begin our journey, make sure to hit that subscribe button so you won't miss out on any of our future videos. The Eocene Epoch was a remarkable period in Earth history, characterized by significant changes in climate and the emergence of new and diverse life forms. Let's dive into the key features and events that defined this fascinating era. The Eocene Epoch, part of the Cenozoic era, followed the Cretaceous period and preceded the Oligocene. This epoch spanned a duration of approximately 16 million years. During the Eocene, the Earth experienced a relatively warm climate with high levels of carbon dioxide in the atmosphere, similar to the conditions that existed during the Cretaceous period. This warmth extended to the polar regions, keeping them ice-free and contributing to a more equitable distribution of heat around the globe. The Eocene saw the formation of the Himalayan mountains due to the collision between the Indian and Eurasian tectonic plates. This event had significant implications for regional and global climates and would have profound effects in the following epochs. Towards the end of the Eocene, the Isthmus of Panama began to emerge, connecting the continents of North and South America. This development had far-reaching consequences for ocean currents and global climate patterns. Now, let's explore the remarkable creatures that inhabited the Earth during the Eocene. Early in the Eocene Epoch, the first rodents appeared, marking the beginning of an incredibly diverse group of mammals. These early rodents were shrew-like creatures adapted to a semi-aquatic lifestyle. One notable genus is Prolongostomus, known for its elongated snout and shrew-like appearance. These semi-aquatic rodents likely inhabited river valleys and coastal areas where they could exploit both terrestrial and aquatic resources. Their specialized adaptations reflect the ecological opportunities presented by the dynamic landscapes of the Eocene Epoch. The Eocene Epoch witnessed the origin of many familiar groups of mammals, including primates, carnivores, hoofed animals, and bats. These creatures played vital roles in shaping the ecosystems of their time. One particular mammal that thrived during this period was the amphitheatrical. Amphitheatricals were a diverse group of proto-wombats resembling small bears with thick fur and stocky limbs. They occupied various ecological niches, ranging from forest dwellers to open grassland inhabitants. Their adaptability is evident in the wide range of sizes, with some species growing up to 2 meters long. Amphitheatricals primarily consumed plants, but some species displayed omnivorous tendencies. Their distinctive skull and dental morphology reflects their role as herbivores and their adaptations to different dietary preferences. Among the well-known amphitheatricals was the genus Thylacosmilus. These creatures inhabited North and South America during the Eocene Epoch. Thylacosmilus possessed unique features such as a long face, prominent sagittal crest, and large canines. They typically reached lengths of 1 to 2 meters and were formidable predators in their ecosystems. With their combination of physical characteristics and predatory behavior, these ancestors of modern-day marsupials played a significant role in shaping the fauna of the Eocene Epoch. Another fascinating creature that emerged during the Eocene was the Meridiodon. Meridiodon, also known as the southern tooth, was a genus of marine mammal that inhabited the coastal waters of New Zealand during the Eocene Epoch. These enigmatic creatures were characterized by their massive size and distinctive teeth. Meridiodons were highly specialized for a fully marine existence, with paddle-like limbs and a streamlined body. Their diet consisted mainly of crustaceans, mollusks, and other marine organisms. Fossils of Meridiodon species provide insights into the evolution of marine mammals and the unique adaptations that allow them to thrive in marine environments. Fast forward to the latter half of the Eocene Epoch, and you might encounter the pteratodont. Pteratodont, meaning terrible tooth, was a genus of large predatory mammal that lived in North America. As the name suggests, pteratodons were equipped with terrifyingly large teeth, making them fearsome predators of their time. These creatures were closely related to other North American ungulates and are believed to have inhabited diverse habitats across the continent. Their imposing dentition suggests a carnivorous or omnivorous diet. The discovery of pteratodont fossils has shed light on the diversity and adaptations of mammals during the Eocene Epoch. Moving on, we come across the Kronosaurus. Kronosaurus was a genus of marine reptile that lived during the late Cretaceous and Eocene epochs, primarily in what is now North and South America, Europe, and Asia. These marine reptiles were members of the order Ichthyosauria, which were well adapted for life in the ocean. Ichthyosaurs were characterized by their fish-like bodies, dorsal fins, and tails, enabling them to move through water with grace and agility. They had paddle-like limbs and a streamlined shape that reduced resistance while swimming. Ichthyosaurs were primarily carnivorous, preying on fish and other marine animals. Their teeth were sharp and conical, perfect for catching and consuming their prey. Fossils of ichthyosaurs, including those of the genus Claosaurus, provide valuable insights into the evolution and diversity of marine reptiles during the Eocene Epoch. Finally, let's discuss the Mosasaurus. Mosasaurus was a genus of marine reptile that dominated the oceans during the late Cretaceous and Eocene periods. This fearsome predator was a member of the family Mosasauridae, which flourished in the inland sea that once covered much of the modern Midwestern United States. Mosasaurs were marine lizards that exhibited adaptations for an aquatic lifestyle, such as a powerful tail for propulsion and paddle-like limbs. They possessed a large mouth filled with sharp teeth, enabling them to capture and consume prey with ease. Mosasaurs were apex predators, preying on fish, marine turtles, sharks, and other marine vertebrates. Their size and strength allowed them to feed on large prey, establishing their dominance in the marine ecosystem. In conclusion, the Eocene Epoch was a remarkable period in Earth history characterized by significant climatic shifts and the rise of new life forms. From the emergence of rodents and early whales to the diversification of primates, carnivores, hoofed animals, and bats, the Eocene witnessed an explosion of mammalian diversity. These creatures played vital roles in shaping the ecosystems of their time, with predators like Thylacosmilus and Pteratodon keeping populations in check and herbivores like the Amphitheatrical and Meridiodon, contributing to the trophic structure of their environments. As we continue to explore the fossil record, we uncover more about the Eocene Epoch and the fascinating creatures that once roamed the Earth. The legacy of this era lives on in the world we inhabit today, reminding us of the dynamic nature of our planet and the incredible evolutionary journey of life on Earth. If you enjoyed learning about the Eocene Epoch and its amazing creatures, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel for more exciting paleontological adventures. Thank you for joining us on this journey through time. Until next time, keep exploring the wonders of the natural world.